Sa Inari Center sa Montalban, Rizal, nanalo ang TNT kontra Phoenix sa score na 93-78. Kasama natin si Coach Chot Reyes and Calvin Optana. I think later si Ray Nambatak sasamahan tayo. Coach Chot, 15-point win but meron kayong mga stretches na talagang parang nangangapa pa kayo but you got the ball rolling in the third quarter and hold on for the win.
Una-una, host ka na pala ngayon. Ha? May plano ka ba punta sa panel? Okay, yeah, tama ka. No? There were stretches na masakit sa mata yung opensa namin, but as always, we rely on our defense. Okay lang if we are not making our shots or if our offense is not as smooth as we want it to be, but as long as we can make stops, then that's the important element in our game plan. Shout out to Glenn Kubuntin for doing a great job on Perkins. We really challenged him to defend, and I thought he was a big part of anchoring that defense.
Calvin Optana, 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Alam naman natin yung nung finals may nihinda ka tapos nagilas ka pa, pero ngayon mukhang fresh ka na ngayon at nakuha yung panalo tonight.
Parang fresh, no? Pero meron pa rin. Pero natapilok na naman eh. So, pero yun nga, first of all, I want to thank God sa opportunity na to. And syempre, I need to play my game every game. Syempre, I need to offer it to my teammates, to my coaches na talagang sinusuportahan ako. Ang dami ko nang tinira na mintis, mga alahoy, pero coach put me in that situation pa rin. And shout out to Ray, kay Kevin, kay Jeyo, na bago salta sa amin. Bago ka rin na?
Bago lang.
Bago ba? Bago. Roger, syempre. Team effort yun. And ganun talaga. Kailangan namin simulan yung campaign namin as winning. Ayaw namin mangyari ng last conference na maging 3-0 na naman yung namin. So, we take pride on it. And sana tuloy-tuloy.
At si Ray Nambatak.